The headers are out, and I'm getting ready to strip them of the rust. So I'm using product you get at a local Walmart. You can get it anywhere. And as you see that these headers are currently rusted and disgusting. And these are all headers. If you're taking out stock headers like I'm taking out my power robbing rusty Power Ranger dented up dimple booty headers. Yeah, I'm taking these out to add some even crappier headers. No, I'm just playing. But these are cool. It's got a lot of rust. And the rust that just caused discoloration. They used to be chrome. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to see if I can bring back the chrome. But before I do that, I'm going to tell you guys, it's not easy taking out the old stock headers. What you want to do, if you're using stock headers to do this, what you want to do is you want to lift up on an oil pan or the jack. I would put wood or something underneath it because it was hard for me to take out my stock headers. Stock headers don't have, they don't have enough space to just wiggle out normally, so you have to create that space by lifting up on the actual engine. But we're gonna clean up my equal length headers, my equal length shorty headers, and what we'll be using to clean those up is, like I told you, a brand that you could get from Walmart, which is this. And yeah, we're gonna see. So let's start the process. So these are the 3 items that I'm using to basically clean this header, free up from rust. So just gonna take this, spread it all over it like this. I'm supposed to wear some type of glove, but I'm not. It just tingles a little bit. It also says to use water to activate it. I think you activate it. I don't know. I'm just saying the water to activate it. But I'm gonna spray a good amount, and then use this. I use dry sponge. More rough, and it agitates it a lot better. I think it'll help with the process. And supposed to wait like 15 minutes. Do this, and supposed to clean it up. I can already kind of see how it's freeing up the rust in certain areas, especially in the crevices and stuff like that. But I don't know if I'm gonna be able to get these cleaned up, but we'll see what the finishing result will be. Yeah, I can see it already working. Oh, it's really working. Oh shit, it's working on my hands too. Hold on. Take it. You can see it really cleaned up. I showed before and after pictures. Yeah, man. That's basically what it does. It cleaned up pretty good. I mean, maybe after doing it about 3-4 more times, it'll look a lot better than this. But the way they look now, thinking about painting them. It's definitely not the quality I was looking for, but it did work though. Maybe on some less rusty, less older headers or whatever, it will work better. These headers are super old, rusty. But yeah. those are my results after using the toilet bowl cleaner. So it does work. I approve. Just make sure that your header's not as old as mine. Peace.